Video has always been an incredibly powerful tool for telling a story or conveying a message. And now more than ever, the ability to create and edit basic video projects is accessible to just about anyone. But one of the most depressing things that I hear from people over and over again is that they can't create videos because they don't have the appropriate gear, and that is bullshit. Chances are you have a perfectly good video creation tool in your pocket every single day. I typically use a Canon 80D to create video projects, but even with a more expensive, higher-end DSLR, I still use my iPhone as a secondary camera. These are both perfectly good tools for shooting high-quality video, and I'll show you. Now there are pros and cons for each camera. For instance, the DSLR is a bit more customizable. You can exchange lenses on it, and a lot of those lenses can zoom. DSLRs typically have a nicer depth of field than a phone. This phone, however, can shoot in 4K, which my DSLR can only shoot in 1080p. It can shoot at a maximum of 240 frames per second when my DSLR can only shoot in 60, and it's much more portable and easy to take with you anywhere. Of course, if you're shooting video on your phone and you just stand way back and shoot something like you would at a concert, your video is not going to look that good. Instead, what you want to do is get in nice and close to the action. Sorry if this is creepy. Keep the camera moving. Experiment with a lot of different angles and combine them all together in the edit. Take advantage of the time-lapse and slow motion features. If you combine all these, your audience probably won't even realize that you were shooting on a phone to begin with. There's a lot of different things that I can say on the topic, and I hope to in videos down the road, but for now, what I'm really trying to say is, don't let the quality of your gear keep you from making great videos. It's something you can go out right now and practice, even as a hobby, just to get used to shooting video on your phone, whether it be clips from an evening out with friends to a child's birthday, probably your child. And with that, get out there, tell great stories, make great videos on your phone.